I asked him two things: how many original miles are on this car and how much he's put into it. His answers broke my brain.
And the car's got original 9,200 miles. I mean, there's $100,000 in guaranteed.
Yeah.
I'm Nicole, where every build has a story. This is Know How TV.
So I'm walking around this car show in La Crosse, and it's the same car show that I met Ryan Evans and met Dr. Todd. And everybody keeps saying the same thing. You got to talk to Elvis. Have you seen Elvis's car yet? And I'm just like, okay, I'll bite. So I walked over and I see him. His name is Bill. Everyone calls him Elvis. No. Hold on, back up. Because this is where it gets insane. The nickname isn't just because of the way he looks, it's because of his car. In 1969, the real Elvis was having his comeback concert in Vegas. The King, reminding the entire world who he was. And that same year, this car was born. Here's what you need to know about this car. The 1969 Chevy Bel Air on the outside looks like your typical grandpa's grocery getter. I'm serious, nothing about it screams fast whatsoever. But Chevy quietly dropped a 427 cubic inch V8 under that hood. 7 liters, big block muscle in a family sedan. Not just any 427, the same engine that was in the Corvette. They put a Corvette engine into a family car and sold it to drag racers. And the real Elvis, he loved Chevrolets. He owned many Bel Airs. He drove them, bought them, gave them away to his friends like they were candy. In 1969, while the king of rock and roll was out there collecting Bel Airs and selling out Vegas, this exact car was rolling off the lots. It landed into the hands of a man who immediately knew what to do with it.
It's an original 427 car, 425 horse, so that makes it super rare to begin with.
2 Elvises, 1 year, 1 car. I genuinely think that this was meant to happen.
He tubbed it out and full streeted it. Had like 3 miles on it. Drove it home from the dealership and they cut it apart.
To race it. The car has 9,200 original miles on a 1969 muscle car. This thing barely lived a normal life. It went straight from the lot to the track, and it stayed there. So every single mile on this car has a story. He got under this car, ready to redo everything, and he said no.
Oh man, this is history. I didn't want to erase that history, so I left the original work that they had, and I just did my thing all around it.
Somebody else's story is already here. I'm going to honor it. That's not skill, that's character. And this is exactly why I do this channel. Now, let's talk about what Elvis added to it, because the man isn't just some guy with a welder. He's 35 years a professional custom painter. That's not nothing.
I won in 2019 in Las Vegas at SEMA. I won one of 3 Best Painters of the Year award.
Wow.
So that's my award.
So when I say this paint stopped me cold, you need to understand who put it there. All right, and I have to be totally honest with you guys. I am not a red car person, like, at all. Most red cars feel like someone just picked red because it was there. I mean,
It's elegant. It's got a lot of depth to it. You know, it's not just your typical cherry.
Right.
and then I had this moment.
Juice clips.
Yeah.
Those are called juice clips, people.
Yeah, D-Z-U-Z, the Zeus.
Oh,
Yeah, but you don't really say it that way. You just call it Zeus. Zeus clips.
juice clips.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it's
I thought you said
Zeus.
juice clips.
In my defense, they really do look like juice clips. I stand by that. Moving on. So then I asked, and then I got into the car, and I genuinely did not understand what I was looking at.
That's called a kill duff shifter.
Okay.
Kill duff. And the little shifter is in park.
Yeah.
You pull that back in reverse, You pull it down when you're in neutral.
Okay.
Then you pull it down in third, you're in third gear. And then if you're drag racing it, you get on a gas, you grab that lever, you pull back, you're in second gear. You pull the lever, you're in third gear.
Let me get this straight. You're going 120 miles an hour, drag racing, and you have to manually pull levers with your hands to shift gears while steering at 120 miles an hour. First run, I crash. It's over. I'm done. Bye-bye.
Oh, this is weird. What in the hell?
So that's a little meat custom trick that we do.
You did.
We did that, yeah.
That is sick. That is so sick. Do that again. That is sick. That's amazing.
9,200 original miles and then rebuilt with every little bit of that original history exactly where it was left. Because the man who built it knew that some stories are just worth keeping. $100,000 later, it's sitting in a car show in Wisconsin. And the man who built it, the man they all call Elvis, who looks exactly like the king, carries himself a little like the king, and built something so undeniable that nobody at that car show could walk past it without stopping. Subscribe if you want more stories like this, and put in the comments, what is the most interesting car story that you've ever heard? I literally reply to every single last comment. It's not just about the build, it's the story behind it. This is Know How TV.
This also the meet in which a pretty Visalia, California housewife, Shirley Shahan, became the first woman ever to win a major drag racing championship as she defeated Joe Smith in another Hemi Plymouth and took the Super Stock title.